Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread toast in a toaster. First, select your favorite bread, whether it's a classic white, hearty whole wheat, or tangy sourdough. Next, make sure your toaster is clean and ready to go. Finally, place your toaster on a stable, flat surface, ensuring it's close to an electrical outlet for easy plugging in. Now, let's get that bread into the toaster. Gently place 1 or 2 slices of your chosen bread into the toaster slots. Then, set the browning dial to your preferred level. A setting between 2 and 4 usually yields a perfect golden brown toast. Once set, push the toast lever down firmly until it clicks and locks, starting the toasting process. While your bread is toasting, resist the urge to peak too often or interrupt the cycle. The toaster is designed to perfectly brown your bread and will automatically pop it up when it's done. If you feel it's getting too dark, or you simply can't wait, you can always press the cancel button to stop the toasting process at any time. Your delicious toast is now ready. Carefully remove the hot slices from the toaster, being mindful of the heat. Now comes the fun part, adding your favorite toppings. Spread on some creamy butter, a dollop of sweet jam, or even some mashed avocado. Serve your warm, golden brown toast immediately and savor every bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.